do not bring me to shame by allowing me to sin in it, and do not strike me with the strike of your punishment, and distance me from the factors of your rage. By your grace, O you whom is the greatest which of those who wish.